Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the old strap now. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the plastic rivet head slightly, then hold the rivet from the inside with needle nose pliers. Once the head lifts, push the rivet shaft through the hole and withdraw it. This frees the strap. Do this on a towel to avoid scratching the shoe. You're removing one fixed point first so the strap can be worked out. Make sure both rivet heads are fully disengaged before pulling the strap free. You now fit the new strap into the same holes, checking orientation so the logo faces outward. Once aligned, feed the rivet shaft through the strap hole and into the shoe aperture by hand. After both sides are started, use needle nose pliers to hold the inner rivet and press the outer head down until it seats flush. This creates the snap-fit Crocs use. If resistance rises, back out, realign, and try again. Forcing it crooked will crack the shoe material. Finish by rotating the strap through its full range. You want smooth 180-degree motion and a definite stop when behind the heel. If the strap is loose, remove and reseat the rivet or install a new OEM-style rivet rather than gluing, because glue prevents rotation and causes early failure. If the rivet won't seat easily, warm the Crocs briefly, no hotter than about 60 degrees Celsius, to soften the plastic. Then press. This helps alignment without damaging the shoe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.